In a class of 200 students, 200 fruits belonging to 5 different varieties, namely mango, apple, orange, peach, and guava, were distributed such that each student got exactly one fruit. The following line graph provides information about the number of students who received a mango, an apple, an orange, a peach, and a guava. From the table, it can be noted that the number of students who received mango was 43 and that who peach 31. Further, it is given that the students exchange the fruits among themselves, and after the completion of exchanges, it was noted that no child had the same variety of fruit that he or she had earlier. It means if a child initially had a guava, after exchanges he would not have guava, and each student has exactly one fruit. After the completion of exchanges, the following observations were made. The given observations can be compiled into a table as shown in the table given below. In the table, X is the number of students who initially had peach now have apple. Y is the number of students who initially had guava now have peach. Z is the number of students who initially had apple now have oranges, and W is the number of students who initially had apple and now have mango. In the table, this figure is 29 plus y minus w minus z, and this figure is 11 minus w minus z minus x. And it can also be noted that the value of w will lie between 0 and 11, excluding these two values. Similarly, for x, this case is same, and y lies between 0 and 8, both including, and z also 0 to 11. And the value of w plus x plus z will have to be less or equal to 11, and that of w plus y minus z 29. Let's move to the first question. It is asking, after the completion of exchanges, out of the students who initially had a guava at peace, how many students must have a mango eventually? The students who initially had guava now have mangoes is 32 minus w, and we have to maximize the value of this quantity, minimize the value of this quantity. It means we have to maximize w, and the maximum value of w can be 11, so the required value will be 32 minus 11, which is 21. Option D is the correct answer. Let's move to next question. Here it is given that after the completion of exchanges, if out of the students who initially had an apple, the number of students who ended up with a guava was the maximum possible, it means 29 plus y minus w minus z is the number of students who initially had apple and ended up with guava. In the given problem, this is the maximum. In order to maximize this quantity, we have to maximize y and minimize w and z. From the inequality, the maximum value of y can be 8, and the minimum value of w is 0, and that of z also 0. So the maximum value of the given quantity is 37. Then it is asking, at most how many of those students who had an orange after exchanges had a guava eventually. The number of students who had an orange after exchanges had a guava initially is 5 plus w plus x, and we have to get maximum value of this quantity. In order to maximize this, the value of x has to be the maximum, which can be 11, and the value of w shall also be maximum, but this is not possible as we have already seen. In order to get materialize the mother condition in this question, the value of w has to be 0, so the maximum possible value of the required quantity is 11 plus 5, which is 16. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. After the completion of exchanges, if out of the students who initially had an apple 7 have an orange, it means the value of z is 7. Then what was the maximum number of students who initially had a guava and ended up with an orange? The number of students who initially had guava and ended up with an orange is 5 plus w plus x, and we also know that w plus x plus z is less or equal to 11, and we know that the value of z is 7. From here w plus x has to be less or equal to 4, so the maximum possible value of the required quantity can be 5 plus 4, which is 9. Therefore option A is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Out of the students who initially had an apple, what is the maximum number of students who ended up with either a mango or an orange after the exchange? It means we have to maximize the value of w plus z, and we know that w plus x plus z is less or equal to 11. In order to maximize the value of w plus z, we need to minimize the value of x, which can be 0. So the maximum possible value of the required quantity can be 11. Therefore option B is the correct answer. Let's move to the last question of this set. If out of the students who initially had a peach 22 ended up with a guava after the exchange, and out of the students who initially had an apple 14 ended up with a guava, then what was the number of students who initially had an orange and ended up with a guava? As per the question, 12 plus w plus z is given as 22, and 29 minus 29 plus y minus w minus z is given as 14. From this w plus z is 10. From here we get w plus z minus y equals 15. From here y is equal to 10 minus 15, which is minus 5, and we know that y cannot be less than 0, so the given data is inconsistent. Hence option D is the correct answer. That's all for this set.